Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming what your plan actually covers and why those distinctions matter. Look at your ID card. Make sure the member number, group number, and effective date are correct. If not, call now. Check whether your plan is HMO, PPO, EPO, or another type so you know provider access rules. Once done, note your monthly premium and deductible amounts. These determine when the insurer starts paying. Keep a photo of the ID and plan summary on your phone for quick reference. Now you schedule care with purpose. Search the insurer's in-network provider list and pick a primary care clinician to avoid extra charges. Call the office to confirm they accept your plan and whether a referral or pre-authorization is needed. Pre-authorization prevents denied claims. When booking, ask for itemized estimates so you understand deductible, copay, and coinsurance responsibilities. Make sure to submit claims or confirm the provider will file them. Keeping receipts and claim numbers speeds dispute resolution if something goes wrong. To finish the process, monitor your insurer portal. Verify claims posted match services and save every explanation of benefits. If you owe a balance, pay promptly to prevent collections while you question charges, then request an itemized bill and compare it to your EOB. If a claim is denied, file an appeal immediately. Follow the insurer's steps, include medical records and a clear statement of why coverage should apply. One troubleshooting tip: if appeals stall, escalate to your employer benefits rep or your state insurance commissioner for help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.